Today I will build this welding / working table so that I can finally have something proper to work on.
Oh no! Anyway.
The fitment could be better. Next time I'm gonna have it cut because I spent way too much time on it. Here I have the wheel set up how it is gonna be. It's gonna here with the reinforcement. It's like that because there I'll have a hole with a bolt. It's gonna be screwable so that I can level the table perfectly. So it is almost done. Now we only need to flip it, reinforce it here, and then we can put the wheels on.
One week later.
The table is finally done. It took a lot of work, but I'm very happy with it. It's not perfect, but I learned a lot.